anything come down, you know your boy Dean Smith, aka Braff God, you understand me? Yeah, we have a YouTube page called Braff Lord. See, you don't know anything come down, you don't want to be subscribe, share, and like it. You see, we are perform comedy, stunts, and so much more. You don't know anything come down, you know. You just want to support we and thing. Share, like, subscribe, share to another friend, and you don't know anything come down, you can comment and tell where you want and you know. That's the thing, you see me?
3 minutes.
Braff God out, I don't know anything come down.